So just go to one of these websites to get the executor. And once you get to one of those websites, all you gotta do is just go find the executor that you want to have, pretty much. And you can do Windows right here, Medium, and it's completely free, and it's actually pretty good. I've actually seen some people actually use it, so it is pretty good. And I'm gonna use this one just because I'm gonna show you on the emulator of Android. So, anyways, we're gonna pick Delta. So let's get some Delta. Alright, so once we get here, just download. Alright, so once you download it, pretty much what mine's gonna do is open Memu Player already. But what you do is just open the download that you have and just drag and drop it to your Android emulator, or you can just open it. You can just open it. So you can just open it with Memu Player. And what you can do to make it force do it, like if it doesn't show you that you can do it, well, just pretty much just right click it, go to open with, and you can find Memu Player and just open it from there, pretty much. And so once you do that, all you gotta do is just open Roblox, the app that you downloaded, pretty much. Now we're gonna try this game because someone suggested it to me. So once you get into the game, all you gotta do is just go to a key system bypass. You can go to any of these that I have, but we're gonna go to this one. So once you get to your bypass, all you gotta do is just copy the code that you get. Once you copy it, just go to the website again and just paste the link and then click bypass. Make sure that you have a ad blocker extension because if you don't, it can get messy. So once you get the bypass, all you gotta do is copy the key that you get. And once you copy it, just paste it inside the enter key option. Alright, now you got your executor. Just open it. Once you open it, just paste any script that you want to use. For this example, I'm going to be using Game Pass bypass methods. So all you got to do is just paste in your script that you have. So copy it, paste it, or you can paste a clipboard, whatever you want to do. So all you got to do now is just have fun with whatever you executed. So now you can just do whatever you want. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. See ya.